Well, in an article in the Dawn newspaper, former DG of the FIA, that's the Federal Investigative Agency of Pakistan, has admitted that the 26/11 attacks were plotted on Pakistani soil and that Ajmal Kasab was indeed a Pakistani national. Now, with facts staring him in the face, will Nawaz Sharif now crack down on terror?
First of all, we must compliment not only the vision of the Prime Minister, but it is something that the entire nation needs to celebrate and rejoice. This is something for which the entire country had been waiting for as many as 6 to 7 decades. And we have been able to make a breakthrough is in itself a great achievement for the government led by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. There would be opinions that the efforts in this direction had been made in the past also during different regimes, but I think the major difference which you would appreciate is that the present government during the 14 years of its being there gave some...
सही कहा, पाकिस्तान की जो फेडरल इन्वेस्टिगेशन एजेंसी है उसने ये 26/11 को इन्वेस्टिगेट किया और उन्होंने बहुत सारा एविडेंस इकट्ठा किया। तो जैसे कि खोज से कहा है कि ट्रायल बहुत धीमे चला, जजेज अपॉइंट नहीं हुए, मतलब कि महीनों वर्षों तक कोर्ट्स खाली रहे, पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर को मार दिया गया। वो पाकिस्तान की स्थिति ऐसी है, पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर को मार दिया जो इस केस को ये परस्यू कर रहा था। लखवी को हाई कोर्ट ने बेल दिया, उसको कैंसिलेशन के लिए मूव नहीं किया पाकिस्तान ने। हाई कोर्ट ने कहा कि 2 महीने में ट्रायल खत्म हो, नहीं तो इसके बेल के कैंसिलेशन पर हम विचार करेंगे। तो न ट्रायल खत्म हुआ न बेल कैंसिलेशन के लिए पाकिस्तान ने मूव किया है। ये FIA के जो फॉर्मर हेड है उन्होंने ठीक लिखा है, तो मांगने वाले तो है नहीं ना। वो तो हम बता चुके हैं पहले भी कि उसमें ISI का इन्वॉल्वमेंट है। वो ट्रायल को अगर तेजी से परस्यू करेंगे और ऑनेस्टली इन्वेस्टिगेट करेंगे तो ISI के पदाधिकारी कुछ जेल में नजर आएंगे। तो पाकिस्तान स्टेट के अंग, ऑफिशियल अंग, कुछ ऑफिशियल अंग 26/11 के हमले में इन्वॉल्व थे, ये मानना।
मैं समझता हूं कि ये मामला काफ़ी गंभीर है और पाकिस्तान भले ही इसको स्वीकार न करे, लेकिन जो सच्चाई है वो सामने आएगी और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय मंच पर हम लोगों को इस बात को उठाना चाहिए।
देखिए, जिस अधिकारी ने ये बात कही है वो सच है। आज उनके एक अधिकारी ने जो इम्पोर्टेंट पद पर रहा है ये कहा है, लेकिन ये तो भारतीय हिंदुस्तान की एजेंसी है, हमारी तरफ से बार बार हमने सबूत दिए हैं। मास्टरमाइंड कौन है, जो लखवी है या और कोई है, तो ये सबको जब कसाब को पकड़ा था या वहाँ जो मैसेजेस हमने लिए थे उनके आवाज़ के, तो पूरे विश्व को मालूम है कि पाकिस्तान के सिवाय हिंदुस्तान पे ऐसे हमले नहीं हो सकते हैं, लेकिन पाकिस्तान मानने को तैयार नहीं है। मुंबई का जो मेमन वाला जो कल होगा, मुंबई का ब्लास्ट हो या संसद का हमला हो या कश्मीर में आज जो हो रहा है या 26/11 को हुआ, हर हमले के पीछे, हर साजिश के पीछे पाकिस्तान है, लेकिन वो लोग मानने को तैयार नहीं है। तो ये जो अब लोग कुछ बोल रहे हैं, ये भी एविडेंस है पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ। ये एविडेंस भी हमने अब जुटाना चाहिए।
Well, consulting editor Maruf Raza is now joining us. Maruf, how do you see these admissions coming in from Pakistan's top investigator? Do you think they'll force a rethink?
Even though the chief Pakistani investigator into the 26/11 attacks has nailed the consistent Pakistani lie that the attacks were not done from Pakistan, he's clearly established that the attackers were Pakistani, provided equipment, training, guidance, and a control room from Pakistan. Unfortunately for India, the final nail in Pakistan's coffin cannot be put because the voice samples of Zikur Rahman Lakhvi will perhaps not be provided by the military establishment, given as they are a small window by the courts which say that the voice sample needs to come voluntarily.
Let us appreciate it. From the beginning and after the investigation was over, the Mumbai police has marshaled all the evidences, very, very clinching evidences against the involvement of the Pakistani agencies. In fact, these evidences which came to India from the help of FBI of America, they also very pointedly proved that Pakistani hand is there. So let us accept, if they are accepting it, and not only acceptance will not only do the things, they should try that no terrorist activities are undertaken from their soil.
So do you think now Pakistan can deny that these are clinching admission of guilt that is coming from the former investigator, where he's mentioned about how the trawler was bought in Pakistan and how the financiers of this entire attack were from Pakistan, also telling how Qassab had joined the terrorist group, breaking down each and every detail. So can now Pakistani authorities deny such a clinching admission that is being made by the investigator?
Still, I feel that they will deny all these things. Pakistani government will deny all these allegations, but when their own investigator, when their own official is claiming and has come out openly and truthfully that there was a Pakistani hand in it, I think the world community will appreciate if they gracefully accept their involvement.